What's up everyone? I know I haven't posted recently and I apologize for that, but hopefully the wait was worth it because in this video I found some really good stuff. As the video continues, the finds just get better and better. So without keeping you waiting, let's see what I found and how much everything's worth.
Fish in a barrel.
Okay, well, getting straight into it, here I am in the game section, just looking for any games that are maybe like rare or just valuable. And I actually found a floor puzzle from Eric Carl, the guy who made the Very Hungry Caterpillar. And after looking at the sold listings, it looks like I can sell this for around $30, so it's not bad considering it's only $2. And in the same section, I found this 1994 Sweetie Mine plush doll for also $2. And there's plenty sold listings, and it looks like some even sold for up to $60. I mean, I don't know if I'll be able to get that much, maybe if I wait on it, but I can definitely get a good amount for it. Moving on, this is at a different store. I found this die cast metal factory. I actually owned this as a kid, so it definitely brought back some memories. I made that little wizard that you see on the box. It was pretty cool. I forget how much this is worth. It's $4. That's how much I had to pay. And there are sold listings online for like $80. And in the same section, I found this Weapons and Warriors game. It's pretty cool. You have like actual catapults and stuff that shoot things. And I think it was like $6.99 on the box, and there are sold listings online for up to $85. Obviously I have to see if all the parts are included once I get home. Even if they aren't, I can part it out. And looking in the t-shirt section, I found this David Bowie Labyrinth shirt. I remember watching this movie as a kid. I feel like I liked it, but it was a little bit weird. Any sort of vintage shirts are always worth buying. This one was only, I think, $3.50, and there are sold listings online for anywhere between like $25 and $30. Now here is a really cool find. It's an audio sound hypersonic radio, and it's got the neon lights on the outside. Here I am just turning the knobs. I actually plugged it in just to see if it would work, and it did. It costs $35, but online there's sold listings from $150 to $170, so this was definitely an easy purchase.
Before we get into the rest of the video, if you're enjoying this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It really means a lot to me. And if you really don't feel like subscribing, please consider commenting. Even if it's just one word, it helps YouTube push the video. Thanks so much.
Moving on, I found this Minolta Auto Pack projector. I think it projects like slides. I've bought projectors in the past and done pretty well with them, and this was only $10, and I found sold listings online for $55. So sometimes I kind of pass these ones up, but I decided to pick this up. And then right next to it was this Sony CFS 1035 stereo. I forget how much this was. I think it was $15. I think I go over it right here. $16. And there are sold listings online for $85, so this was also worth it. And then right away this label printer caught my eye. Label printers are just worth a lot. I just know personally because I own one using the eBay business. This is a TSDA 210 label printer. It's, I think, $8 on there. But brand new, which this still has the plastic on it, it's worth $275. This is an insane find. And lastly, we found a Victorian hurricane lamp. This lamp cost me $20, and lamps are really worth looking into. I found sold listings online between $125 and $250, and there was a ton of lamps like this sold. So I definitely think I can get somewhere in that price range. This was a great find.
So that's it for today's video. After adding all the things that I found, the sold listings added up to over $1,000. It was a really great day of thrifting. If you enjoyed the video, once again, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. And as always, I will catch you guys on the flippity flap.